Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download and install GNS3 and GNS3 virtual machine. This video have a two part. In first part we will install and set up our GNS3 and GNS3 virtual machine. In second part I will show you how to import virtual appliance, how to import layer 2 IOU, layer 3 IOU, firewalls and how to license them. So let's start from downloading our GNS3. Just go to Google and open GNS3 website. You will find one button, free download. Before downloading you have to sign in. You need to create one account on GNS3 website. After that you can directly download GNS3 and GNS3 virtual machine from their website. Just you have to click on free download. After that you need to select Windows version 2.2.7 and you need to download the GNS3 virtual machine as well. I already downloaded GNS 2.2.7 and I already downloaded GNS3 virtual machine. So let's proceed for the installation. Double click on the GNS3 icon, click next, click on I agree. From here drop down you can skip if you want to skip SolarWind PuTTY. It is same like PuTTY, so it is up to you. I will recommend go with the default and click next. You can choose where you want to install. Click next and click install. And before installing GNS3, please make sure your device, your workstation should have internet connection, because during installation it is downloading some files from the server. Click next. I agree. Now it is installing WinCap, that is necessary. I already told you, you should have internet connection, because during installation GNS3 will get some files from the server. So now accept and it install SolarWind Hyper Terminal. It is same like PuTTY to manage the devices. Click agree and accept. Provide the email address and click continue. Click next. No, I don't want to use license version, and finish. Your GNS3 installation is done. Now second step is to import virtual machine. So let's close GNS3 first because we have to install the virtual machine as well. So what you have to do, just open VMware workstation, go to home, click open a virtual machine. You need to select second option, open a virtual machine. Go to desktop, and go to GNS3 virtual machine and select this OA file. This is OA file. Just click on open, click on import button. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. So VM import is done. Just power on the virtual machine, and by default this virtual machine have one processor and 2 GB RAM or memory. So if you have more memory or more RAM, you can increase. For the better performance, I will recommend you to increase the RAM at least 4 GB if you have. Now VM is done. Just go back to GNS3. So GNS3 installation and GNS3 virtual machine installation is done. So next step is to connect GNS3 with GNS3 server. So launch the GNS3. Go to edit, go to preference, and go to server. You have to enable the local server and you need to select the same interface card which your virtual machine is using. After selecting this, click apply and go to GNS3 virtual machine. You have to enable the GNS3 virtual machine. When you will enable the GNS3 virtual machine, it will appear on the right side and it will take 5 to 10 seconds to connect. When it will connect, the status will change to green. Now you can see status is changed to green and our server GNS3 virtual machine is connected now. I want to keep this video short, so how to import Cisco routers, switches, firewalls and how to license them, I will show in the next video. So one more thing, this when you will close the GNS3, virtual machine will auto close. When you will relaunch GNS3, virtual machine will auto relaunch. Let me show you. I close the GNS3. If you go to the virtual machine is also closed. If you relaunch GNS3, it will auto relaunch the virtual machine and it will appear on the right side when it will be connected. Yes, so it is auto relaunch and it will take 10 to 15 seconds to connect with the GNS3. Yes, it is connected now and see, you can see that it is turned to green. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section.